anything? Here in Robe Hotels. Yay! Your shoes is lightning. Tawa rin siya. Walk, 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 walk in the light. We're waiting. Zach, come here. Bird? Where's the bird? Where? Bird. There, oh. There. There. The bird is there. Zaki. Hi guys! For today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa staycation namin. Sa babaw. Tapos, at dito yung ating bed. Tapos, andito ang ating CR. Dito ang ating comfort room. Tapos connecting room. Dito. Hi, Zaki! Whoa! You want to swim? Oh. Doon sila kasi, tatlo sila eh. Oh. May baby pa. Taas-taas ang ulo. Dito kami ni Papa. Nag-isa kami. Ano? Sarap ng swimming. Tapos, may maganda daw doon tanawin. Doon sa may doon. Puntahan natin yan mamaya. Ano? Pwede mag-swimming dito. And guys, dito kami for 3 days. Meron tayo ditong kape. Ayan. Kape and tea. Pure green tea. May chocolate. Actually, gusto ko matulog muna.
Ako din.
Aga namin ng gising. Tapos late na rin. Tulog.
Tulog, nagising ka pa.
Guys, dumating ng ating delivery from McDonald's. Sa kanila. Nasa inyo na yung inyo. So, chai. Coffee. Yeah. Hash brown. And burger. Sausage muffin with egg. Kasi kami nag-breakfast sa bahay. Kasi may free breakfast dito sa hotel. Pero bukas pa. Gusto lang namin pahinga ba. Tulog dito. Sarap matulog dito. Doon sa may connecting room. Para kay La Princess. Kay La Zack. Tulog na si Zaki. Maya, punta tayo dito. Kain muna tayo. Meron din dito pa-coffee. Ito si Papa. Ng Itbulaga.
Hi, say hi, hi.
Hi! Say hi.
Show your smile, show your smile.
Sorry, sorry.
Yay.
Swimming?
Swimming?
Yeah.
Huh? Swimming?
Yeah. Say yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Hmm?
Swimming?
Say hi.
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 Blow a kiss.
Hi.
Blow a kiss to Ate Clay. Blow a kiss to Ate Clay, dali. Hi, Ate Clay. Hi, Ate.
Hi, ate.
Say, hi, Ate.
Ate. Say ate. 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 Say ate.
Ate.
Blow kiss.
Blow a kiss na.
Aggie. What's that? Oh, say ate. Ate. Say ate. Ate, where are you? Say ate, where are you? No, ayaw. We're going to the mall. Magmamalling muna kami. Are you playing? Oh. What's that? Uy. Up. Up. Yes. You fall? Cute dito, mga kids. Let's go. We'll swim, Claire. Ay, Claire tuloy. Zaki, na-touch niya kasi yung na-touch niya yung yellow eh. Kaya tuwa siya. Swim? We will swim. Let's go swimming. Let's go swim, swim, swim. We're going to swim. Swimming na, swimming na, swimming na. Let's swim. Ate Clean, we're going to swim today. You're here. Zaki. Hey, we'll swim, swim, swim. Dito muna sila. Gustong gusto ni Zak dito. Zaki! Wow! You're swimming! Baka ilagay sa bungang. Baka i-duming ba niya? Zaki! Okay na dito si Zaki, oh.
Ano ba yun?
Kaya daw ako lumangon. One, two, go. Oh, ganyan talaga.
Yes, practice your
Ilubog mo yung mukha mo, ma. Try mo lang. Try mo lang nga. Ay. Langoy ka ng lubog yung mukha. Bilis na, i-try mo lang kung kaya mo. Bilis na. Same lang yun. Bilis na.
Nagdalaw pala ng kamay.
Ay! Ay! Ay!
Wala na yung aapakan ko lumali.
Pwede! Yee!